Hello, I am Dr. Joseph Butler with Atlas Chiropractic and Wellness at the Whitefield Clinic. And today I wanted to talk to you about cavitations, or as you know them, as the cracks, the pops, the tucks that you hear every time you're getting an adjustment. It's a common misconception that it's bone on bone, that your bones are cracking. But the truth is, that's not happening. There's no bone on bone anywhere in your body. There's way too much connective tissue and fluids in between. So, what you're actually hearing is gases inside of what's known as synovial fluid. So, synovial fluid is in between every joint of your body. And in that fluid is oxygen, nitrogen, and CO2. So, what you're actually hearing, think of it like when you pop open a can of soda. It's a right? So that's what you're actually hearing. You're hearing the fluid and the bubbles expanding throughout the fluid, and that is what the actual pop is. So don't think that it's bone on bone because it's not. It's just gases inside of the fluid in between your joints. So don't be afraid. Don't be scared. We're not going to be cracking your bones against each other. It's just a little bit of oxygen and CO2 and nitrogen that is expanding in that fluid.